Okay, well, I think we're streaming. Should be. I should check. Let's see here. How do I check? Let's see. I'll go to YouTube and see if we're streaming. It takes a lot of effort to do this. For me, anyhow. Let's see. I'll pass this time using my phone here, taking a quick look at my. Let's see here. Home? No. Here? Russ McClay. Do I click that? Ah, there we go. Okay, it says live. Let's see if this is. Okay, it is working. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, so it's happening. Let me just remove that thing from my. What I did is I opened up my app, my YouTube app on my phone, and checked out the live streaming. I can see it's doing that. So, yes, let's get started here. Very important. Okay, pardon the delay. Live streaming from Second Life. Yes, this is Tao Lodge in Sabuela, which is a place I've been at for many years in this virtual reality. And I had a couple of ideas of what we might look at today in this. This is a good meditation for me. Oh, is that a new thing over there? Maybe. No, it's an old thing. One of my neighbors. Cool. I'm gonna check that out maybe later. What I wanted to do is, I've been playing with one of my, a Teagle horse, which is part of the Teagle line of, what do they call them? Pets. Yeah, and somehow mine got kind of messed up. And through a lot of experimentation and whatnot, I kind of fixed it. One of the problems was the animation that I was using. When I jumped on this pet, which is a horse, I laid back and I couldn't figure out what happened. And I think it was just some small thing in the pet. But I ended up like deleting a lot of these old things on my screen, which are animations. And then I ended up buying another one last night, which I probably didn't need to do. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, very good. And so yeah, I guess I have to end the stream now. Thank you, Andres. No, I guess we'll just continue. That was a little, I should turn that off, a little notification, work related, pretty funny. Excuse me. So, yeah, live streaming. Why not? As I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, these pets are very cool, and my pet was misbehaving. And in an effort to fix it, I deleted or removed from my my interface a lot of these things that I've been using for years, and I didn't know how to get them back. For example, I don't know if you can see my mouse here, but over there in the bottom left are a couple of icons there that control some what they call animation overrides. So tonight, which was kind of a good experience for me because I've been using Second Life for so long, a lot of stuff that I have implemented and what I know is so ancient, and it's just been there for years. And so if, for example, I deleted something, then how in my inventory, which is like over 20,000 items, I would have difficulty in finding it again. For example, here, let me see here. My inventory here, if I take out this search, you can see here, it's quite amazing. These are, this is my inventory. Okay, so if we go up here, it says here I have 20,978 items, and they are organized into folders. Here you can see this, all these entries for the Teagle Guinness, which is my horse, and that was because, that was because yesterday I had a problem with this. So what I want to do right now actually is I want to see if I can create another, oops, let's see. I can't, let's see, how do you open up another inventory? 2 inventories, how do you do that? How do you open up 2 inventories? I guess I forgot how to do that. That's the beauty of it. You forget stuff like this. Inventory. I thought you could open 2 inventories. How do you open 2 inventories? Let's see here. That's pretty weird. I forget how to do that. Inventory. I wonder if we look up here, if we can see inventory. No. Here. Developer. UI. Dump inventory. I don't want that. Well, I'm not sure. Not sure how to do that. I used to be able to do it pretty easily. Okay, cool. Let me just take a quick look here. Where can we look? Let's look in something I don't use often, Firefox. Let's see here. I don't know how smart Second Life has been getting. To open 2 inventory windows, Control I. Okay, it says Control I. Is that all we do? Control I? No. All right, well, let me try another way here. Let's see how to open 2 inventories. Click the gear icon, new inventory window, that's what it says. But I don't see the gear icon. Wait, maybe here? Ah, there it is, Control-Shift-I. Well, how about that? Okay, that's what we want. So what I want to do is this Teagle here, I'm going to put him under transportation. So I have all this here, vehicles. Should I put it under vehicles? Yes, let's do that. Let's say new folder. Let's say animal. Very cool. All right. Now let's create under that. New folder. I'm going to say Teagle. Great. Perfect. So I'm going to grab all these Teagle items. I'm going to drag them into Teagle. Okay, that's perfect. So let's see here in this inventory if I have Teagle. Oh, look at all this stuff. Oh, wait a minute. But not an animal. I want to see what else I have. Objects. Look at all this stuff. This is under trash, so we'll just take these. All right. The goal here is I just want to move everything out of my main inventory and under that folder. This is, I mean, you could spend hours at this. And I have, okay, this is all trash, which I don't care about. So Teagle, that's great. That's perfect. Okay, great. And now I know how to open up two inventories. Let's try it. What is it? Control-Shift-I? Yes, that's all. Just two keyboard commands and you can do your drag and dropping very conveniently. So let's go up to my animal and I'm gonna show you this pet, which I finally got sorted out up here on my deck. Oh no, he's not up here. Oh, that's cool. I forgot, I just deleted him. So let's go out here and go res him again. And then after resing him, we can go find the creator and go over to the store where these critters are. So this is my little backyard, pretty cool. Let's go here and let's find Guinness. Guinness. There's Guinness. Ah, Teagle. Yeah, this is what we want. Let's see if we have any numbers at the side. I don't know if this is going to be the dude. I hope so. Yeah, go ahead. Where's my... Well, that's not what I was expecting. I got this... I don't want this. That's the actual package that... Let's see here. Oh, man. You have to look for it. Oh my goodness. There it is. I think that's it. Yes. Perfect. When you buy one of these, you get so many folders of so many things. It's very, very confusing. And then if you delete them or whatnot, then you it gets very, very confusing. So this is Guinness. This is the pet that I bought. And I've had a couple of horses years ago. I bought a few and they were very, very cool back then. Again, you know, these creations, this horse here, and actually everything you see here except for the land I'm standing on is all created by us users. You know, if you think about Minecraft, and you go into Minecraft, which is like basically a world of where you use like Lego type building blocks to build worlds. And if you go in there and you look around, everything's built by the users. And in Second Life, it's the same thing. There are places in Second Life that are built by the Second Life crew. There are welcome islands and whatnot that are, you know, the architecture and the objects and everything are created. But otherwise, most places in Second Life, everything that you see is created by just people that have accounts. And some are very skilled and some are very, you know, unskilled and primitive. And that's the fun of it. The point I'm trying to make is that this horse here, which has a tremendous amount of programming in it, was created just by a user. It's not a... It's not like where you have a typical video game where, let's say Atari, a video game by Atari, the old ones or whatever. Everything that you see is created by the company of Atari and their programmers. But in Second Life, it's created by the users. So this really wonderful creation here was created by a user. Now, what I wanted to do, what I had in mind in this episode, is to take a look at the store where they sell these things. So we're going to do that. And how we do that is I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to say more, and then I'm going to say more, and then I'm going to say inspect. And here, when you click on that dialog for inspect, you actually get a lot of information that's very interesting. These various columns here, if you can imagine an Excel spreadsheet, this is kind of what that is. First of all, we see the object name, and we see Guinness, the Clydesdale horse. And we see it's got even a little ID number there. We see description, owner name, creator name, blah, 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 creation date. All very cool information. What I'm looking for is the creator. So here we see in this column that this was created by this Teagle. And here we have two options. We could say see owner profile or see creator profile. So we'll go to the creator profile. Now we get the profile of the creator, and we can see that this person has been in Second Life for 7 years. And then if we click on pics, here we see a link to their store. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the Teagle store. Oh, shopping, is that going to make any? Shop all current accessories, single breed, go to Teagle. Okay, no, we don't. Well, let's do this. Main store, here we go. And we go teleport. Bang, man, now we're there. We have teleported over to the zone, which is very cool. Okay, so this is the Teagle store. I'll tell you, these people are genius. Very genius people that have created these animals. I've been in Second Life almost 20 years, or has it been? Let's see, I can see how long I've been in here. Let me right click, profile. There we go. Okay, this will be in October, it will be 20 years. So, 19 years and 3 months I've been in Second Life. Almost 20 years. That's crazy. So this is the Teagle store. What do you got down here? Is this like a customer service? It's a customer service rep. Rat. Did I say rap? Rat. Yeah, you're badass, man. You are badass. I suppose this is some kind of little critter that can help you out looking for stuff. And I do like him quite a bit. You are cool. I'm not going to click on you though, because I know where I'm going. So this is the very typical layout here. A lot of stores in Second Life that sell stuff. They could be anything. It could be houses, it could be trees, it could be avatars, it could be dances, it could be, you name it, anything you could possibly imagine in your mind. Vehicles, aircraft, well, almost anything. I mean, you could imagine drugs. They don't sell drugs in Second Life, but they do sell weather. You can buy rain for your property. What else is maybe not in Second Life? I can't really think of it. I mean, psychiatric help, you probably could find that in Second Life, yeah. So anyhow, Teagle, this builder, oh, look at that. There's somebody. There's a person, a real person in Second Life. Natasha Janis. That's pretty cool. So this is like the landing zone. In the store, it'll be kind of like this. If we zoom the camera out here, we can see that this is basically just like an island, and where they have arranged their store. And I can show you here for an overview. It's always good to have an overview. You can see the way they did their store. Like a lot of stores will be buildings or whatnot, but this person decided to do it like in a park-like atmosphere. So here we have the horse accessories, which I probably will go check out. We have, look over here, we have deer. You can buy deer. We have aquatic. Frankly, I haven't checked out any of this stuff before, only horses. We have birds, striders, I'm not sure what those are. We have the horses, and that's what I did. And we have dogs. You can get dogs here. Now these animals, these Tegel animals, they're very, very intelligently designed. I mean, they have so much functionality. I think now that people can understand it better because of AI and whatnot. But again, these are not AI designed. They're probably getting close to being able to, it says the region you are now, Tegel is about to restart. So this region is going to restart. So that means this little, this live stream is going to end, unfortunately. And we'll have to come back and do another episode. And that's fine. So here we are in Tegel. I'm here on the deck, and we're going to end this because they're going to restart this sim, which is shocking to me.